Can you say hi? Can you say I love you? I love you. Can you say grandma? Can you say grandpa? Can you say daddy? Can you say mommy? Can you say grapes? Can you say eat? Can you say please? Can you say pretzel? Right. Can you say purple? Right. Can you say purple? Right. Can you say yellow? Can you say I love you? I love you. You say I love you? Can you say, Emma, can you say bottle? Bottle? Bless you. Can you say bottle? Yes, smiling. Emma, can you say bottle?
Bubble.
Oh, that's so precious.